Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purchase Justice. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Everything in this part of the video that you see was pre-prepped, so let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, I'm pouring the cup of oil into the pan along with the sausage.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, only know like once.
And now I'm just going to go ahead and stir it until it's like a brownish kind of color.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want.
My newbies look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown.
I'm now putting the ground beef into the pan since the sausage has browned up enough.
I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get alone, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
just some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
By the beach like Odell. All my mama killers don't tell. Shut down my mama to New York.
Now I'm just mashing the ground beef until it's brown and being able to put the onions and green peppers in.
All my bitches Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get alone, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
This is me putting the onions in,
get some me time.
Do what you want.
and this is me putting the green peppers in.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
I'm now mixing the sausage, ground beef, onions, and green peppers together until everything is like a light brown color as far as the onions and the green peppers.
Wake up for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
Now I'm going to add my ingredients. This is onion powder,
some me time.
Do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well.
salt,
some me time.
Do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself.
garlic powder,
Oh no, leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
thyme,
Don't fuck me up, don't let me Don't fuck me up, don't let me
Italian seasoning,
Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in hand? How to learn how to let someone hold you. Think
I believe that is rosemary,
sometimes I trust you, I let the truth hurt. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of me. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Now I'm just mixing everything together.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up.
Now I go ahead and I add the diced tomatoes.
I just wanna know what you're living me.
And I add the traditional sauce, spaghetti sauce. I use Pego.
Don't fuck me up.
And then I go ahead and I add the sugar after mixing everything together. I use a lot of sugar because I like my sauce to be sweet. And this is what the sauce looks like when I'm done adding everything. Now I'm going to do the broccoli. I'm putting 2 small things of butter into the broccoli. Along with some pepper. And then I just came back to check on it and stirred around and let it cook. Broccoli does not take long to cook, especially if you're steaming it. Put the top on it, and this is what it looks like when it's done cooking.
I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you pretend. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my thoughts straight.
Now I am making the spaghetti. The water was pre-prepped before even doing this. I added salt and oil to the water. I like to put my spaghetti in before the water is even hot. Some people prefer to put their spaghetti in when the water is boiling. It still comes out the same to me, but some people think otherwise. You cook how you cook. This is me draining the spaghetti after it's done. And this is what it looks like. I hope that you guys were able to hear me well throughout this video, because during the time of this voiceover, I am very much not feeling well. So yeah, I just needed to get content out because I'm not playing around about it. But I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, do show.